So I'm off to the pool myself because Dylan is scared of the sun. Who knows? Come 11 hours in a plane and he's terrified of the sun. So he's gonna relax in the room. We're thinking of just having like a chill down day because we're absolutely exhausted. We've been going on straight, I think 6 days in Disney and then 3 or 4 days in Vegas, and we've not really had like a chill day. I think I'm lost already. Go this way. This place is huge. I think it's the biggest resort in Disney. I'm sure that's what the concierge said to us when we checked in. And it is massive. So yeah, I'm gonna go check out the pool and see what that's like. Get a bit of sunbathing. It's about 9:15 now, so it's still early. Because I don't want to be trapped in like the midday sun kind of thing. So this afternoon we are going to Celebration. So see how I get on with that. Really excited. I'll take you guys along with me and I'll tell you any tips, tricks or information that I find along the way that I think you guys would find helpful, that I wish I would have known. So yeah, it's great. So I just got lost on the way to the pool and had to ask somebody for directions. I have got no sense of direction. So if you're rubbish with coordination and things, take somebody along with you that knows what they're doing, because usually I have Dylan with me and I just follow behind him. So you have no clue how I got where I just got to. But I am just on my way to the pool. So excited. It'll be so good. I want to get a nice tan because the weather here is beautiful compared to Scotland. Okay, so silly me, I've just walked all the way to the pool for getting lost. Seeing that last bit. And it doesn't even open till 10 in the morning, I think till 8 at night. So yeah, heads up if you're gonna head to the pool. Go at 10. I'm just gonna go walk now. Dylan says there is a beach somewhere here. So I'm just having a look. I'll show you the sign. So this is like, the pool area is called the dig site. There's a sign here. That's the pool. It's the first time I'm looking at it actually, so yeah. I'm gonna go look for this little beach thing he's telling me about, and if there is one, I'll show you guys. This is so cool. So this is like a little man-made beach because the pool doesn't open. So I am just gonna relax down here. Cute. I love that. That's super fun. So I'm just gonna, I don't even know if there's cameras on me. I'm just gonna chill down here, I think. This is so cool, this is so fun. So this is the hammock. I'm so glad that I found this because I didn't want to have to walk back to the room to then leave after 40 minutes when the pool opens. And I'm not a big swimmer myself, so I probably won't be even going in the water. I just wanted somewhere to enjoy the sun. So yeah, this is super sweet. There's like other chairs and things with umbrellas, and it's so sweet. My feet are all sandy. This is our room. As soon as you walk in, you've got this lovely painting here. You've got a lovely big chair. It's full of my rubbish. Please ignore that. Ignore all of our shoes. And this is the room from first glance. So we've got two what looks like big double beds. Really comfy, really nice pillows. There are spare pillows as well. Turning around here, you do have a coffee machine. This is everything that comes in the coffee machine. Not actually used it yet, but I've seen good reviews on it. We've got an ice bucket here, and there is an ice vending machine just out the room and round. Comes with some cups and some lids as well, so you can take your coffee away. And then under here, we have got a fridge. It's empty when you get it, but we've just popped some bits and bobs in it. The space is quite good here. I've just got some things in here. It's quite good space. When you come in, the screen is like this. We're both now bells. So this is us now. And then coming round here, we've got a lovely big mirror. And then we've got the bathroom. So these doors shut here. Really cool. Quite like it. Gives Frozen vibes. And then we go in here. I've got a lovely big mirror and a big vanity. So this is what the room comes with. So we've got a body lotion, a sea salt, really nice. I've used that quite a few times. I really like that. We've got a mouthwash. So I use this every day. They've just replenished this one and they've gotten rid of the old one. I've got a wee vanity kit. So the vanity kit comes with things like a nail file, Q-tips. I'll just open this. There we go, you can see there it comes with things like Q-tips and a nail file. I've got a wee shower cap and a wee soap. The room does come with this really nice light. I like this one. And it does pull out things. It turns around. It's a really good big mirror. It does come with a blow dryer. I have used that blow dryer and it is actually really good. Some more space in the cupboards. It comes with towels over here. It actually comes with a lot of towels. Some more space. So the room comes with these 2 big towels and 2 small towels. 2 more big towels here and 2 small towels. There's always an extra toilet paper. So this is the bathroom. So if you press this button here, the wee handle comes out and you shut the door over for the bathroom. And then here is the shampoo and conditioner. These are actually really good. I've used these both twice and I've really liked the results from my hair. I've got a wee area here to put your own bits and bobs. And the shower quality is really good. There's good power in that shower. So there is a bath. Yeah, and it's a really good shower. I'll just turn it on quickly for you. So you turn it this way, the hotter. So that's just that one there. So overall, I'm really impressed with this room. I've got a big wardrobe here. So in this wardrobe, there is an ironing board, extra pillows, loads of space, an iron back there, and space for your shoes, which is really good, but we just dumped our shoes at the front door. So yeah, definitely a lot of space in this room. The beds are really comfy. There's not much Disney kind of aspect to it, but you see like these wee photos. It just gives it that little bit, not too much in your face. So here's the TV. So you can connect your phone to the TV. So we've been doing this and we've been watching Disney Plus movies just at night before bed and it's really good. So yeah, it's really nice. Got a couple of lights and things here. You've got really nice thick curtains as well. And you can lock the door. So that is our room tour. If you have any questions at all, please pop them below and I'll be happy to answer as much as I can. So that is the Coronado Springs room tour. So we're in the Rancho's, like a cabana. We're in 6A. I think I said in a previous video we're in 6B. But I just got a bit confused because I just followed Dylan to the room most of the time. 6A, and yeah, this is room, oh, I can't even remember what the number is. But we won't be in it by the time I upload this. Yeah, it's really good. What is it, babe?
6253.
Oh, room 6253. There we go. Again, I just followed it onto the room. So yeah, I actually really like this room. I didn't really know what to expect. I hadn't really seen many videos before we came, but we're pleasantly surprised. I really like how big the bathroom is. It's actually really big, like, to get ready and things. And I like how the toilet and shower are separate to like the main vanity kind of area. There's a lot of wardrobe space. I've managed to empty my entire suitcase. My suitcase is massive and it's just slid under this bed, so it's completely out of the way. It's There's space for your shoes in the wardrobe, but we've just found it easier just to put them on the floor because they're on and off so much. So yeah, if you have absolutely any questions, please comment them down below. I will try and answer them as best as I can, or I can make another video with any Q&A if you need me to. So yeah, please feel free to ask away. Thank you for watching, guys.